Going through some quick-ish surface area of some following shapes. So for this first one, it's just going to be 12 times 12 for the face, which equals 144. And then, we'll just get a different color, that way we can see what I'm doing a bit easier. So 144 was the face, and there's 6 faces because it's a cube and they're all equal size. 6 times 144 should get you 864 centimeters squared. For B, we are going to do 4.5 times 4.5, which is 4.5 squared. That's going to be the face of one of them. There's going to be 6 of them, so you just have to multiply by 6, and you get 121.5 meters squared. For C, we've got a number of different things here. Because we've got 3 different sizes, we're going to have 3 different pairs of rectangles. One of them is going to be 1 times 3. It's going to be this one over here. 1 times 3 is 3. There's going to be a 4.5 times the 3, which is this one over here. We call side B. And that's 13.5. And then we've got the other one, which is just on top, which is going to be a 1.45. 1 times 4.5, which is 4.5. That's C. There's obviously going to be 2 of each. So double the 3, you get 6. Double 13.5, you get 27. Double your 4.5, you get 9. And then you add all those numbers up, and you get 42 meters squared. Same thing in D, just doing it a little bit faster. 4 times 6 is 24, doubled by 2 is 48. So that gets rid of this face and this face. B is 12 times 6 is 72, and 2 of those is 144. So that gets rid of this face, that face. And then there's 4 times 12 is 48, 2 of those is 96. So that's this front face and that back face. And then you add all those up and you get 288 centimeters squared. Moving now to 3A. A little bit more complicated now. For this side here, on the side, it's going to be 3 across multiplied by 2, which is that one dash there. 3 times 2 is 6. And there's going to be 3 sides, one here, one on the opposite side, one down the bottom. That gets us 18. Then you've got to do your triangles, half base times height, half of 2 times your height of 1.7. It's going to get 1.7, 1.7 for this one, 1.7 on the other side, it's 3.4, plus your earlier 18 gets you your answer of 21.4 meters squared. For this one over here, again, a little bit harder. This side over here is going to be 24 because it's going to be 6 across because of the double dashes, 6 across, 4 up because of that single dash. Okay, 6 by 4 is 24. There's 2 of those. There's one on this side and there's one on the other side. So that equals 48. The base is going to be 6 across and 6 up. So despite it looking a bit funny, it's actually going to be a square base to this triangular prism. It's going to be 36, 6 squared. Then your triangle, half base times height, half of 6 times 2.6 is your height, and there's going to be 2 of these, one on the front, one on the back, gets you 15.6. You add up all those numbers and you will get 99, forgot my decimal place, 0.6 centimeters squared. Then when you get over towards C, first things first, on this side here, it's going to be 5 times 2.5. That is 12.5. So that's your first part. Then you're going to do 3 times 2.5, which will get you the panel at the back. 3.2.5 is going to give you 7.5. Then you've got your base underneath, which is 4 across and 2.5 deep. 4 times 2.5 is 10. Then you've got your triangle parts. Half base times height. Half of 4 times your height of 3 equals 6. And there's one on this side and there's one on the other side. So you've got to double your 6. That gets you 12. You add up all of those 4 numbers, and that will get you your answer of 42. That is the answer there, 42 meters squared. And the last one is fairly similar. You've got 8 times 7 is 56. That gets you this side over here. That's our 56. Tick. Then we've got 8 times 5. That's going to be the side at the back there. Be 8 times 5, which is 40. Then on the base, you're going to have 10 wide and 8 deep is 10 times 8, 80. That gets you down the bottom. Now you need your triangular faces. Half base times height. Half of 10 times by your height of 6 will get you 30. So it'll be 30 on this side. It'll be 30 on the other side. That gets you 60. 56, 40 plus 80 plus 60, add them all up, 236 millimeters squared. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments.